What is the A? Okay. Write it down. Up, down, up, down, up. Come on. Write down na. A. What the next of A? What is that letter?
Great job.
Okay, next E. Here. Oh. How you read it? No, that's not a star. This one. Next E. Write it down now. What is that? What is the next of S? No. Okay, next. Next of T. What is the next of T? Okay, R. Redo it. Okay, next. Redo it. It's too Don't do it. It's not right. Redo it. Come on, finish na. So what is the right spelling? Write it down right here. Oh, come on, boy. Next. I'll write it down. Read it. What is this? One. What na? What na? What the next? What is the next? What the next?
I like a B.
What is the next letter of P? R. You're getting smaller, boy. From the line to line. From the line to line, you're getting smaller. Your writing is getting small. What the next?
It's little too big.
I know. What is this? What is that? Next up R. E. Okay. Write down the E. From the line. From the line. From the line. Because it's getting smaller. Yeah, from the line. Okay, next is what is that letter? What is that letter?
T.
No, it's not T. What is this? Next S. Okay, you write down the S.
My breath hold down. That why I'm saying loud.
Don't say it loud. Go, write it down. S. No, next to the E. Okay, great job. Next is what is the next? What is that next of S? T. Okay, write it down. Write down it to the next to the S. Great job. Next is what is that? Oh, okay. Oh. How you read it? Bristol. Great job. Next is what the? Peace. Next is peace. This one. Let's do this later. You're too boring, poor baby. You're too boring. You're too boring, huh? That JP sleeping. Look, he's snoring. What the next of P? Right there.
Oh, it's not 3.
This one. What the next? What the next? What is this? What letter is this? What is that letter?
E.
Next one. The next tab P.
E.
Okay, write down the E here. Write down. Great job. Next is, what is this?
Boo.
No, this one. The next tab E.
E is A.
A, okay.
A.
Write it down.
A. Like
Uh-huh. Write down na. Knock. Come on. I'm waiting.
down, up, down.
Okay,
down.
yeah. Up, down, up, down, up. Come on. Write down na. A. E, A. E and A. Great job. Next is, what the next of A? What is that letter? You silly. It's like a question mark. Do it again. Do it again. Great job. Okay, next is
No, boo.
a star. A star. Right here. S-T-A-R. Star. Okay, write down now. Let me see. Let me put here. Write it down. This one. Come on, I'm waiting. Right here. The next line. What? How you read this? How you read it? No, that's not a star. This one. What is this? How you read it? Peace. Great job. Okay, write down the star. Peace. A star.
What
Okay.
does this say?
Crown. The next of the star is crown. Okay, next. Write it down now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. S. Mhm.
One.
Big. No, you put too. What is that?
Where's the one?
No, it's not S. Look, how did you write S here? You need to write it real good. That's not how you write the S.
Yeah.
Go. Do it just like you did the other one. There you go. No. Yeah, that's it. But you need to put more here. Come on. Okay. Next is, what is the next of S? T. Okay. Write the T. Okay, next of T. What is the next of T? What is it? The next. What is that? Okay, write it down. Write it down. Come on. I'm waiting. No, not there. Not there. Right here. Next is, what is this? Okay, R. Okay, next. Go
Why
do it.
you not write the other one page?
Yeah.
You done.
Yeah, we're done. Only one page. R. R. Why it's too small? Redo it. Redo it. It's too small. It's not right. Redo it. Here you go. Okay, great job. Next is crown. This one. Last one. Then we're done. Come on. Madukol ta karon. Come on. Hey. Come on, finish na. Finish your homework. Come on. What is the first letter? What is the first letter of crown? No, that's not it. That's a wrong spelling. This is the right spelling right here. So what is the right spelling?
This is the right spelling.
It's wrong spelling too. That's why I put a line here so you can just write it down. Go write down now. Come on, we're done. We're almost done. Last. JP. Last one. See, not there, not there. Right here, to the bottom. Yeah, right here. Write it down right here. Oh, come on, boy.
This there.
No, it's not either. Write it down here. What is start?
B.
Okay, write it letter C. Okay. Next. What the next? Next.
Oh.
Next.
Next. W.
Next.
Next.
N. Good job. Yay! We're done. Done. That's what JP write down. He write that down. Can you read it first? What is this? What is this? Write it down. I'll write it down. Read it. What is this? Wand. Come on. What na? What na? Gitapol na. What na? Bobby.
Sangkay guys.
Sangkay guys.